What's up and good morning, guys. Holy crap, look at this fog. That is crazy. So I started my New Year's resolution super early. Well, it's not even a resolution. I already had planned this way before. I just had to execute it, right? But God, I'm out of shape all over again. I have to start. Yeah, well. So I just got back home and holy crap, it's freezing outside. I don't know how I managed to stay outside for that long. But now I have to go pick up my racers packet because tomorrow, January 1st, 2015, will be my first friggin' 5K ever. Ever. And I've never ran, as you can see here. I don't think I'll do well. I'll probably end up coming last. But, I don't know. Hopefully everything goes well. I got in. God. It looks like everything is closed. So tomorrow, this place is going to pack up with supposedly at least 1,000 people. At least. Best freaking Christmas ever. What? Just got tamarind balls. I have no idea what this is. Coconut. I'm in heaven. Happy New Year, Australia. I just found this cool little website. It tells you whether you're in the 2015 or 2014 zone. So if you guys are from Ghana, no wait, Algeria, because that's where the line is. So if you guys are from Algeria all the way to Japanorama, which is right here, happy freaking New Year. God, I can't believe it's already 2-0. I'm trying to correct it. I can't believe it's already 2015. Holy guacamole. And I still got 6 more hours. Whoop, 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 whoop. Bam. Welcome to 2015, Paris. You made it. So my cousin decided to match with me. Look at him. And look at me. Totally opposites. Crazy. Not even planned. Alright guys, so I'm off to bed. The race is going to start in about 3 hours. 2 hours. Something hours. It's about to start soon. And I have to get a little bit of rest to see how far I could run. So If you guys are new, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. I think, remember, it was like right here. Go ahead and subscribe and comment. And see you guys next Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. Oh, no, wait. See you guys tomorrow. No, because they still have to edit that video. The video that's going to come up tomorrow. So see you next Friday, Saturday, or Sunday.
Animalistic with your instincts. Walk around confident that your shit stinks. Leave your mark on them. And you can't be bargained with. Shit's so butter, but they selling you margarine. Don't buy it. Keep trying. Save your strength for what you've been eyeing. Both eyes open. Patches ain't pirate. Caribbean dreams are unseen, but I digress. Into the present tense, we all hesitant. Ain't one of us heaven sent. Emotions build up, so you better vent. Stick out like sore thumbs in that leather vest. But even in that thing, you are not an